The given code performs various data analysis and visualization tasks using the Boston housing dataset. Below is a video script explaining the code, with a video length of 90 seconds. Welcome to this data analysis tutorial using R. In this video, we will explore the Boston housing dataset and visualize its features. Let's dive in. We start by loading the necessary libraries and importing the Boston housing dataset. This dataset contains information about housing prices and various factors affecting them. Once the data is loaded, we take a quick look at the first 5 and last 5 rows of the dataset to get a glimpse of its structure. To understand the statistical summary of the dataset, we use the summary function. Missing values can hinder our analysis, so we check which columns contain missing values and visualize their patterns. After identifying the missing values, we remove the rows containing them using the na.omit function. Now, let's perform exploratory data analysis to gain insights into the relationships between different variables. We start by creating a scatter plot to visualize the relationship between the average number of rooms, RM, median value of homes, MED, and the status of the population, LSTAT. Next, we group the data by the presence of the Charles River, CHAZ, and the radial highway accessibility, RAD. We calculate the mean crime rate, CRIM, for each group and create a bar plot to compare them. Continuing the analysis, we examine the relationship between the age of units built before 1940 age and the median value of homes, MED. We visualize this using a line plot. Additionally, we create a box plot to analyze the median value of homes based on the index of accessibility to radial highways, RAD, and the presence of the Charles River, CHAZ. We generate more plots, including a scatter plot with additional size encoding and another grouped bar plot. Finally, we split the data into training and testing sets. We build a linear regression model to predict the median value of homes, MED, using all available features. We evaluate the model's performance by calculating the mean squared error, MSE, and the coefficient of determination, R_squared. We plot the predicted values against the residuals to understand how well our model fits the data. And that concludes our analysis of the Boston housing dataset. We explored the data, visualized relationships, and built a regression model to predict housing prices. Remember, data analysis is a powerful tool for extracting insights from real-world datasets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more data analysis tutorials.